Have you ever walked into a meeting feeling confident about yourself until you suddenly realized you were crossing your arms, tapping your foot, or maybe avoiding eye contact? Well, a lot of us don't even realize what our bodies are saying, even when we think we're communicating clearly. This topic stands out to me after seeing how small nonverbal habits like leaning forward, nodding, or even how you walk into a room shows a lot about you and other people. After I researched this topic, it completely changed the way I see people when responding in situations. Body language speaks way before we do, and in work settings especially. It can shape how professional, confident, and even trustworthy we appear. Communicating through effective body language in workplace situations can improve communication, strengthen your professional relationship, and even increase confidence. Today, I will explain how posture and physical presence influence first impressions and how facial expressions and eye contact impact communication. First, let's look at how posture and physical presence strongly influence the first impression we make in a workplace setting. One important aspect of this is that an upright and open posture communicates confidence and professionalism. One example of how posture changes how coworkers and supervisors perceive someone during meetings or introductions is at my job. The chiropractor's office, I notice how much posture affects patients' reactions whenever they walk in. When I greeted a patient, I notice when I'm standing or sitting tall with an open posture and shoulders back, they immediately seem more relaxed. But on days when I was tired and accidentally slouched in front of them, I realized they always ask how I am. After a couple days of this, I realized that body language is very important to understand and notice right away. Secondly, according to the video Understanding Body Language from Films on Demand in 2012, noticing cues and facial expressions help professionals understand how someone truly feels even when they don't say it directly. I am now going to talk about how the video connects how first impressions form in workplace situations. Effective body language in professional settings help improve communication by making your message clear and strengthen relationships. When you use confident posture, people are more likely to understand you and trust you. This matters in the workplace because it helps prevent misunderstandings and makes people heard and builds trust between coworkers, professionals, and clients. Another important aspect of posture in the workplace is how consistently you maintain it throughout interactions. I am now going to explain why keeping good posture while speaking with patients helps them feel more comfortable and confident. At the chiropractor's office, I use this during busy mornings and especially throughout the day. By standing upright or sitting upright, facing patients, and staying open in my body language, even when things feel hectic. Patients have told me they appreciate how calm and professional I seem even when it's busy. This shows me that good posture helps interactions feel smoother and more supportive. Secondly, facial expressions and eye contact play a major role in how effectively we communicate at work. First, positive facial expressions such as a light smile increase comfort and openness, helping coworkers feel respected and understood. I will provide an example from a workplace conversation where facial expressions change the outcome. Many new or young patients that come in always are anxious and nervous before an adjustment. A warm smile and steady eye contact help calm them, signaling that they are in safe and professional hands. On the other hand, a blank or a rushed expression increases their anxiety and makes them even more nervous. Another way to maintain steady, appropriate eye contact. This demonstrates attentiveness and professionalism during conversations or a meeting. I am now going to explain how eye contact improves collaboration and trust. Eye contact improves collaboration and trust because it shows focus, honesty, and respect. When someone sees you looking at them, they feel listened to, makes them feel more comfortable sharing ideas. This creates a smoother conversation, fewer misunderstandings, and a stronger sense of teamwork. Lastly, according to the video TED Talks by Amy Cuddy, your body language shaped who you are. Confident nonverbal behaviors like strong posture and steady eye contact can increase how powerful and capable a person feels in professional situations. I'm now going to explain a little more on how this is related to workplace communication. The way we use our body language has a big impact on how confident and engaged we appear. Keeping open posture, lifting our head, and using steady eye contact sends a message of confidence and focus. These nonverbal cues help us feel more in control and also makes others see us more prepared and attentive during communication. In conclusion, we looked at how posture and physical presence shape first impressions and how facial expressions and eye contact influence communication, and how these nonverbal cues can help us build trust and confidence in workplace situations. So in the end, body language isn't just something we use, it is something that actively affects how people see us and how we see ourselves. Understanding body language allows us to communicate more clearly, connect more genuinely, and present ourselves with confidence, whether it's reassuring a patient at the chiropractor's office, speaking up in a classroom, or even a meeting. The way we carry ourselves, it truly matters. By being more aware of our nonverbal messages and body language, we can make interactions more positive, more professional, and more effective.